All right, page 24, Remote Learning Math Packet. Number 1, based on the circular angle below, what is the best measurement for the angle? All right, so less than 90 degrees. Remember, 90 degrees is like the corner of a box. So that would come up and down there. So it is not less than 90 degrees. More than 90 degrees, well, it is definitely that, but let's check the others. More than 180 degrees. 180 degrees would be a straight angle, which is basically a line. So it's not that. Less than 60 degrees. Well, if it's not less than 90, it's not less than 60. So we're going to go with B. Based on the circular angle below, what is the best measurement for the angle? Less than 90 degrees. Well, if it was 90 degrees, it would look something like that to make the corner right there. So that looks good. More than 90 degrees? Nope. More than 70 degrees? 70 would almost be 90, so I'm going to say, oh, it's definitely not more than that. Less than 120 degrees. So the best angle, now A and D are both true, but A is a better answer. All right, number 3, calculate the value of Molly's name if an acute angle, less than 90 degrees, is worth 5 points, a right angle is worth 7 points, and an obtuse angle is worth 9 points. Obtuse greater than 90. All right, so let's look at each letter. So we have an acute angle, an acute angle, and an acute angle. So we have 3 acute angles. So each one of those would be 5. So 5 times 3 would give us 15. So the M is worth 15. The O, there are no angles. So that would be worth 0. The L, it has a right angle. So that's worth 7. Has another right angle. So that's worth 7. And now let's look at the Y. The Y right here, it has an acute angle. An acute angle is worth 5, and it has an obtuse angle on each side. An obtuse angle is worth 9. So 9. So the letter Y is, here, let's just kind of show our work over here. 9 plus 9 plus 5, so 23 would be the value of the Y. So we need to add all of these up. So we have 23, 15, 7, 7. So I add all those up. 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 7, 15, plus 7 more, 22. Carry my 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the value of the name Molly would be 52 points. Number 4, if the angle below rotates 25 degrees at each interval, how many times would it need to rotate to cover 180 degrees? Now, I'll be honest, I don't really like this question at all. So I'll tell you the answer is 7. And if this keeps rotating, 6 rotations, I'm guessing what they want us to say is 6 rotations would take me to 175 degrees. So I would need that 7th. No, 7 rotations. I don't know. The answer is 7. Let's move on. That's a dumb question. Number 5. If the angle moves 2 degrees each second, which circle would it take longer to travel around? Well, if it's moving the same, then it'll cross those at the same times. So they would cross at the same time. Or they're the same. The clock shows an angle made by the hour and minutes hand. Describe the best measurement. All right, well, it looks like a box corner, so I would say a right angle. All right, number 7, which choice best represents A, B, C? All right, so A, 90 degrees. Nope. B, 130. Nope. C, 45. I'm going to go with C, 45 degrees, because all the other ones are either 90 degrees or greater than 90 degrees. All right, here clearly this is an obtuse angle, angle LMN. All right, so we know it has to be greater than 90 degrees. So we're going to just eliminate that one. We're going to eliminate that one. All right, so now remember a straight angle, if it went kind of straight like that, would be 180 degrees. And it seems fairly close, but not quite. So I would say B, 160 degrees. All right, here, which choice best represents angle? Oh, there it says LM, but they want ABC. Okay, now here I would say it is not quite 90 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees would be, so it has to be just under 90 degrees. So it's definitely not 105. And 45, it's 2 to 45 would be kind of like splitting that in half almost. So it's not 90, but it's close. So I'm going to say D, 85 degrees. And there we go. And I would just skip that one.